good.
Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna show you. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the morning.
If you're new, please subscribe down below to watch my future videos and stuff. Now I'm going to get started with my hair tutorial. Okay, so like what I'll do is when I come in my room after I take a shower and like my hair air dries, I'll take like a random pencil that's in my room. This is pretty cute, so I'm gonna use it. And then I'll just split my hair in half like this. Honestly, like it doesn't even have to be perfect. Just like split it in half. Okay, so what I'll do is just get this side of my hair and then just braid it. And then I'll braid this other side also. Honestly, like I don't even care like if the parts are equal or not. Like they don't have to be like super perfect, but I like to like try to get it as close as this to the scalp as possible, so your hair won't look like you actually braided it. If you don't know how to braid, like I'm pretty sure there's tutorials out there. I'm not gonna explain because I'm like bad at explaining things. Yeah, all you have to do is just braid your hair. My hair is like growing super long. I kind of want to cut it again, but I want to wait until like my bangs are at a decent length, so like they still won't be showing, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm sorry if you hear my brother, like he always plays Fortnite, he never shuts up, so yeah. Like I think about it and it's kind of like weird. Like I wonder what people are thinking like from my school, like what is she doing, like what is she doing with her life. So what I'll do is I take these elastic bands. Like they can honestly be like whatever elastic bands you have, but I got these from Walmart. My hair is kind of like in layers, so it's not like super even. What I always do is just braid it like that and then have it like this, so it can still kind of have like a curl. But if it doesn't work, like sometimes it pops out, which I don't really care because it'll kind of look like a beachy wave kind of ish, I don't know. And then just braid the other side. I'm just gonna do like the literally exact same thing that I did. Okay, then I'll just take another elastic band and then just do the exact same thing as on the other side. Okay, so these are, oh my god, I missed a damn hair. Are you serious, huh? Okay, so these are the braids. I know I kind of look weird, but whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna take the braids off. And it's gonna look a little, okay. It's gonna look a little wavy. So what I use after I put the braids in, I use this right here. It's a great mousse, like highly recommend. I'm using this for like a very long time. Yeah. I just shake it and then I'll put like a good amount on my hand. Like I'll rub it like between my hands and then kind of, hold on, and then I'll kind of just put it on my hair and scrunch it. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm in such a weird position. And if I feel like some of my hair is dry, I'll put more and then just go back in. But all I do is just scrunch until like the white stuff like disappears, and then I'll do the same side to the other. Do the same thing to the other side so I can get all of my hair. So now I kind of have curly hair, wavy-ish hair, whatever. I don't do my bangs because I'm just gonna like tuck them like in my hair anyways. Usually my hair is like way more curlier in the morning. That is because I didn't leave the braids in for a long time. so that's why it's super freaking not curly. Okay, after I put the mousse on and everything, I go in with this hairspray. I always put it on like after I put the mousse. It's hard to open. Then I just spray it on my hair, and then I go back in and scrunch it so it can kind of hold the curls. That is like my routine, but it's obviously gonna be like more curlier in the morning. I literally had this on for like 2 hours. Okay, so after I end this video, I want to say something real quick. Hopefully it's gonna be quick. And today I just hit 300 subscribers, so yeah, thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and comment down below. Peace, guys.